Moving on to the next question. It tells us that the lethal dose of acetaminophen, which is Tylenol, is 2,404 milligrams per kilogram for a rat, okay? And that's orally, so eaten. The question is, how many milligrams of acetaminophen would be lethal for a 132-pound adult, okay? So this time we're going to have to do two things. First, your known here is that we know that we have a 132-pound adult. We want to know the number of milligrams that are lethal. We have a couple of really good pieces of information that are going to help us. We have this 2,404 milligrams per kilogram. And then we need to get to kilograms. Okay, this is like one of those metro questions we were asking a long time ago. We need to get from pounds to kilograms. So we know that that's going to be 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Our setup, we're going to start with our known. We always start with the known. We need to convert this to kilograms first. So we're going to multiply. We need the 2.2 pounds on the bottom and the 1 kilogram on the top. Pounds is going to cancel. Now we need to figure out how many milligrams is in that lethal dose. So kilograms is on the top. We need to put the 1 kilogram on the bottom and the 2,404 milligrams on the top. This means we're going to have 132 times 1 times 2,404 divided by 2.2 divided by 1. You always take whatever's on the bottom and you divide. So here we go. 132 times 1 times 2,404. Let's see if we can move that just a little bit so you can see it. Okay. Then we're going to divide by 2.2. All in one step. 1,44240 milligrams. How do I know the answer is milligrams? One, that's my unknown. Also because pounds canceled and then kilograms canceled. All right. You continue with this. The next problem B is very similar to this. Okay, only it asks how many tablets that would be. And so in order to get that next step, you're going to have to do a similar setup, but then divide by those tablets. And let me explain why. Once you have the setup that looks like this, it asks how many are in a 500 milligram tablet. How many tablets would you need? I'm sorry. And so you know that one tablet has 500 milligrams. So you're going to do the same process, only now you have 132 times 2,404 divided by 2.2 divided by 500. Do not just put times 100 unless you're putting everything in the bottom under parentheses. So 132 times 1 times 2,404 times 1 divide by what's on the bottom, 2.2 divide by 1 divide by 500, and you'll get your answer. I want you to complete the rest of this and to include it in your work.